Priority right now is just to stay alive. There's just carnage everywhere. Coconut trees snapping in half, dropping on roofs. It's just so insane how powerful Mother Nature is.
I just went to Daco.
How was it?
They're good. All the people alive. They run out of water. We need water filters.
I never seen this one happen in my life, and it feels so sad. Hope everyone's okay. Whew, but like it's crazy. Like just saying, going out in the door, just saying, all the houses, all the coconut trees falling. Sakit ba? Like, it's grabe. It's heartbreaking. I thought na wala na mi. I thought that house is gonna collapse na.
We need like the ability to produce our own drinking water, and then we need influx of food.
We need more water very quick. People are desperate.
Okay. But the goal is just to get as many plants as we can operating so that
Now they can do it themselves.
So if people know, they can line here.
yeah, we're gonna make a schedule like
Yes, bro.
these days, this time.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if there's a schedule, we can post it on the board there.
Yeah.
So it's better.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Salamat
Thank
po.
you.